SOCMA International, a subsidiary of Fujian South China Machinery Manufacture Company Limited, is a cutting-edge, high-tech enterprise specializing in the development, design, production, marketing, and service of diesel and electric forklift trucks, telehandlers, and electric construction machines. Our comprehensive product range is certified by authoritative domestic and international institutions, ensuring reliability and industry-leading quality. As we solidify our position in Chinese heavy-duty and telehandler forklifts, we continue to invest in R&D for new energy construction machinery. Through collaborations with prestigious universities and institutes in China, we have achieved significant advancements in new energy technologies. Our global footprint is supported by an international supply chain and marketing network, which includes over 30 dealers worldwide and products distributed in more than 40 countries. This expansive presence enhances our brand recognition and market share. Wherever our users are located, our after-sales service team is ready to promptly address their post-purchase needs and provide technical training. Additionally, we have established parts centers both domestically and internationally to ensure easy access to necessary parts. Looking to the future, our goal is to emerge as a global market leader, delivering reliable products and solutions to customers worldwide. By merging local advantages with a global perspective, we are committed to building a more interconnected and prosperous business network, ultimately establishing SOCMA as a respected international brand. SOCMA Power, lift your business.